million miles away. Your signal in the distance, to whom it may concern. I think I lost my way, getting good at starting over every time that I return. Learning to walk again. I believe I've waited long enough. Where do I begin? Learning to talk again. Can't you see I've waited long enough? Where do I begin? You remember the days we built these paper mountains, then sat and watched them burn. Think I found my place. Can't you feel it growing stronger? Little cock.
Okay, what's your name?
Lyra,
What's your number?
42.
Who do you think is gonna score first this game?
Shay.
Shay?
Learning to walk again. I believe I've waited long enough. Where do I begin? Learning to talk again. I believe I've waited long enough. Where do I begin?
Who's the most annoyingest person on this team?
Mia.
And who do you think the most annoyingest person is on this team?
Well, no one's annoying. It's just like everyone has different like energies.
In your opinion, who's the most annoyingest person on the team?
Milo.
Oh, okay. That was a very quick answer. Your turn.
Emily.
Okay, same question.
I don't know. Probably Mia.
Yeah, Mia.
I think we're all amazing people.
If I'm gonna be honest, Mia's probably the most annoyingest person.
For the very first time, don't you pay no mind. Set me free again. To keep alive a moment at a time. That's there inside. A whisper to a riot. The sacrifice, the knowing to survive. The first decline, another state of mind. I'm on my knees, I'm praying for a sign. Forever, whatever, I never wanna die. I never wanna die, I never wanna die. I'm on my knees, I never wanna die. I'm dancing on my grave, I'm running through the fire. Forever, whatever, I never wanna die. I never wanna leave, I'll never say goodbye. Forever, whatever, forever, whatever. Learning to walk again. I believe I've waited long enough. Where do I begin? Learning to talk again. Can't you see I've waited long enough? Where do I begin?
What's your name?
Emily.
What's your number?
Forgot. 19.
So, how have you been lately?